Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to place knights on the board in board game Torres. Each player has five action points per one turn, and placing a knight requires 2 action points, and to place a knight you need to place it directly next to another knight of your color. So if a blue player wants to place their knight on this board, they can place it only next to that blue player, and it cannot be placed diagonally like here or here, only directly next to them. And also it cannot be placed on a higher level than the knight you're placing your new knight next to. So if this knight, which is already on the board, is on level 1, you can put your another knight on the level 0 or on the level knight or on the level 1 next to it. You cannot put it here. So let's place it here, and let's say the purple player also wants to place their knight, and to place it they can place it only here, here or here, because that is the higher level, that's the level 2, and these all are levels 0. So these are only 3 options. You can put your knight. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.